Hi guys, welcome to this channel. I'm Ayush and today we are going to do question number 27 to 31 of exercise 13.1 from 10th RD. So first we read question number 27th. A path of width 3.5 meter runs around a semicircular grassy plot whose perimeter is 72 meters. Find the area of the path. So I have drawn figure for this. It is semicircular plot or garden, whatever it is, and this is the road uh, of 3.5 meters. So for first here we are given with 72 as perimeter of this garden. So the perimeter of this garden will be its round circumference and the this horizontal one. So round circumference will be pi r, as for the whole circle is 2 pi r, for the half will be pi r, and this horizontal will be diameter of the circle, which will be 2r. So the sum of pi r plus 2r is equals to 72, which is given. So we shall take r common from here. So pi plus 2 is equals to 72, pi plus 2 will be 36 by 7. We put 22 by 7 as the value of pi. So here we can find the value of r, which will come out to be 14 centimeters. 14 meters actually. So now for calculating the area of this road, we just simply subtract the area of this plot from the area of that bigger circle. Okay, this smaller semicircle from this bigger semicircle, we shall find the area of this region. So area of plot is pi r square by 2, as it's a semicircle, and r we have got as 14, and the area of plot plus road means this bigger circle is pi r plus 3.5 whole square upon 2, as this width is 3.5, so this whole will be r plus 3.5. okay, so now area of road will be second minus first. Second is area of bigger circle and first is area second is area of bigger semicircle and first is smaller semicircle. So their subtraction will give us the area of this region, which is pi by 2 uh, r plus 3.5 whole square minus r square whole in the bracket. So as we have concluded the value of r as 14, we shall simply put it here like this. First we will apply a square minus b square formula identity, which will be a plus b and a minus b. A plus b will come out to be 2 r plus 3.5, and a minus b will be 3.5. So we shall put the value of r as 14. So 14 to the 28, 28 plus 3.5 will be 31.5. Now by simple calculations we can find out the value of area of that region, which will come out to be 173.25 centimeters square. So we are done with question number 27. Now we will move forward for question number 28. So here is question number 28, and it's saying that a circular pond is of diameter 17.5 meters. It is surrounded by a 2-meter wide path. Find the cost of constructing the path at the rate of rupees 25 meter per rupees 25 per meter square. We need to use the value of pi as 3.14. So I have made a diagram here. It's the pond or whatever it is. It's the pond of diameter 17.5, so its radius will be 8.75 meters, and this is a path type structure which is 2-meter wide. So for calculating its area, we can simply subtract the inner circle from bigger circle. So we will get the area of this one. So inner circle area will be pi 8.75 meters square, and the bigger circle will be pi 10.75 meters square, as 2-meter width is here. So radius of bigger one will be 10.75 and area will be pi 10.75 square. So by simply subtracting these two, like 1 from the 2, we will calculate the area of path by here I have written the values. I have taken pi common. The rest is 10.75 centimeter square, sorry, meter square, minus 8.75 meter square. By applying identity of a square minus b square, we will get this. Now by doing calculation, we will find the area. So as we know that cost is equal to rate into area, we will simply put rate here and area here. We will find the cost by calculating these two terms, which will come out to be 3.61.5 rupees. So here we are done with question number 28. Now we are moving forward for question number 29. This question is just same as the previous one. The only difference here is that we are provided with the circumference of outer circle, and we are provided with the width, and we need to find the area of this region only. So we shall consider radius of smaller circle as r. So the outer circumference we are provided with, we can put the value of that in pi and r. Like for the outer circle, radius will be r plus 14. Okay, so if we put radius as r plus 14, so the circumference will be 2 pi r plus 14, which is provided as 528. So by doing calculations, we can find the value of r 70. You can see the calculations here. So now for this reason, we need to subtract the area of small circle from the bigger circle. So first we will find out the area of bigger circle, which will be pi 84 meters square, as the width is also included in this, which is 14 meters, and for the inner circle it will be pi 70 square. So area of track will be subtraction of these two. Pi will be common, and I have directly applied a square minus b square, 84 meter square minus 70 meter square, which will be 84 plus 70, 84 minus 70, 84 plus 70 will be 154, 84 minus 70 will be 14. So by doing calculations, we can find the area of this region, which is 6776 meter square. But we need to find the cost of paveling or whatever we are doing in this, and we are provided with the rate of that, which is rupees 1.5 sorry 0.5, which will be 1 by 2. It's a little bit wrong here. It will be 1 by 2, as the cost is 0.5 paise per meter square, so it will be 2. So by doing calculations, we can find the cost of paveling this, which will be rupees 3388. Okay, now we are done with question number 29. Now we shall move forward for question number 30. These all questions are just same, no, without much difference. The values are only changed, and all questions are about the same. Like in the previous and before this one, we were finding the value of this region. In this question as well, we need to find this only. So but here we are provided with the circumference of inner circle, which we can write as 2 pi r by considering its radius as r, and we'll put the value equal to 352, which is provided in question only. So here r we will find out as 56. Now as we have done earlier as well, area of outer minus area of inner will be area of road. So here I'm coming directly here. Pi will be taken common, and 63 square minus 56 square by a square minus b square identity, a plus b, a minus b, and by calculations we can find the area of that region, which will be 2618 meters square. This is question number 30. Question number 31 is also just similar to them, but here we are not provided with any value. We just need to find the values and variables. So we need to find the area of this region only. So here outer circle, area of outer circle will be r plus h. Radius of outer circle will be r plus h. So area will be pi into r plus h whole square, and the inner circle area will be pi r square. So we shall just subtract them, taking pi common, r plus h whole square minus r square by applying a square minus b square. So a plus b, a minus b. By taking h out of the bigger bracket, we can simply conclude it as pi h multiplied by 2r plus h. This is what we need to prove in this question. So we have find it out simply. It's the end of question number 31 and end of this video as well. So thank you for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe.